Welcome to Art Along with Mia and Mom. We're drawing a pop-up Christmas present. Yeah! We're still in the holiday spirit, and we thought we would do a pop-up art again. Just like the one we did for our pop-up Hey Hey that you can check out too.
Yeah.
For this Art Along, you'll need paper. We're using Sharpies for our outlines. And you can decorate or color with markers or crayons or whatever you have at home. So let's begin. We're going to create a pop-up effect first by folding our paper all the way down in half. Make sure your corners are touching. So you fold your paper down. And then take the top flap
And fold it.
back up. Make sure your corners are touching there too. Now we've created a pop-up paper. So we're gonna draw a gift box right here while the paper is folded. And then we're gonna create an effect where when you open it up, you'll see what's inside of the gift box.
I think I want to make a naughty list and a nice list.
Inside the gift box? Oh!
That's going to be Santa's list.
Wow. Yeah, you can put in whatever you want inside of your gift box, but we'll start with the gift box first. So make sure your paper is folded. We're gonna start by drawing the present. So draw a line straight down from the top fold to the bottom fold. And we're just drawing a rectangle here. Draw a line all the way to the side. And then draw another line down to connect the bottom corner of your gift box. And then before you connect the top, we're gonna draw a bow right here, a Christmas bow. So we're going to draw two little water droplets, but to the side, like this. 1, 2. And I have this space in between for the middle of the bow. So in the middle between your two water droplets, you're going to draw a rectangle that's a little bit rounded. Yep. And then to complete our ribbon, we're going to the corner of our rounded rectangle and draw another curved line to connect back up to your water droplet side. Yeah. And another one on the other side. Great. And then my bow is gonna have ribbon sticking out. So I'm gonna do a diagonal line down, do a W shape back up, and another one right here. A long W. Does that look good? And then you can connect your box so that you can complete your box. And my ribbon is gonna come down all the way to the bottom too. This is also gonna be a part of my ribbon. That's my gift box. And you can decorate your gift box too, however way you would like.
I'm gonna do it to this side too.
Very nice. Now we can open our gift box and connect our lines on the side. And here, the other side. And I'm actually gonna draw a line.
Connect it here too.
Ooh. I'm gonna draw a line so that it seems like the gift box opened up. Cool. So this is your space where you can put in whatever decoration, toy. Mia's doing a naughty and nice list. Or you could even put your Christmas wish list. Anything you would like. It's a surprise gift box. Okay, let's begin. I'm gonna draw a picture frame and draw our family. Guess who that is?
Me.
Yeah. What are some of your favorite things in the world?
My mom, my dad. Well, maybe I should say my family.
Mm-hmm.
And Legos.
Yeah, Legos.
And, my stuffies.
Your stuffies? That's great. One of my favorite things in the world is my family too, which is why I'm putting it in my gift box. Art Along friends, share your drawings with us. We love to feature your art in our channel. So tag us on Instagram at Peacelyco, which is our company.
Yeah. Okay, I made my naughty list.
Ooh.
For Prancer and Answer and Comet and Quitson.
Okay, those aren't actually Santa's reindeers, right?
No.
Prancer is, Comet is, Blitzen.
Yeah, and Blitzen.
I think it's Vixen. That's fun though.
Right now, when I fold it, it just looks like a bunch of squiggles and X's and checks and stuff. But this is only the first page. Well, I don't know. But when they open it, there's a whole list.
Oh, wow. That's really cool.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
That's a great song. What's your favorite Christmas carol?
I think it's Winter Wonderland.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Actually, Winter Wonderland, Hey Winter, and Away in the Manger.
What's Hey Winter?
It's another song.
But how does it go?
Hey Winter, hey Winter, hey Winter, hey. Hey Winter, what you gonna do today? Hey Winter, hey Winter, hey Winter, hey. Hey Winter, could you please bring snow? Oh, I wanna play. I wanna build a snowman. I wanna play. Go sledding in the snow. I wanna play with snowballs I can throw. Hey Winter.
Is that a real song?
Yeah?
Where'd you learn that?
Music?
Music class?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that must be a new song. I've never heard of it.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. What would you do if you didn't get a present that you really wanted for Christmas?
Wait for next year.
And then what if it doesn't come to you the year after that? I mean, next year.
Another year?
Wait another year? And then just keep waiting?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of patience. Maybe you can also earn money and buy it for yourself.
Yeah.
Do some chores around the house. What are some good ways to earn money?
Do work around the house.
Do work around the house? Yeah, that's a good idea. What kind of work would you do?
Make the bed for my mom and dad.
Okay, you would do our work?
Yes. But shouldn't you be doing that?
Yeah, so does that mean if you do it, you're gonna get paid for it?
Yeah.
So if I do
Because you
it...
never make the bed.
Okay, that's a family secret. In my defense, it's because there's always somebody in the bed when I wake up and leave the bed.
You go to Pilates.
Yeah, early in the morning. So who's still sleeping in the bed?
Me.
So I can't make the bed.
But what about on the weekends?
Okay,
I wake up early.
that's true. So on the weekends, are you gonna make my bed?
Maybe.
Whoa, you have 3 sons?
Season.
Oh, you're doing seasons. That's awesome.
Done!
Okay, should we do the pop-up?
Yep.
Okay, ready? Oh, you got a present.
Yes, there are lots of squiggles on yours.
Oh no. Let's open it and see what's inside.
Oh, a list.
What does your list say?
It says that sassafras is naughty.
That's awesome. Mine has a picture of our family.
Uh-huh.
It's one of my favorite things.
Oh, I like this picture frame.
Thanks. Well, there it is, friends. A Christmas pop-up present.
Bye.
See you next time.